I have a GE 30 inches gas range, model 968 SEP3 SS. When it was installed, it was modified to be used for propane fuel. The problem is that none of the burners will go low enough, and I'm constantly moving items from large burners to smaller ones because I can't get the flame low enough to not burn food. There is no way that I can set any burner to simmer. The GE service people near us told me that it could not be adjusted anymore, but having paid a considerable amount for this range, I'm having trouble accepting this.
Hello, my name is XXXXX XXXXX. You for choosing our service. Remove a surface burner knob. Do you see a screw at about the 6 o'clock position? Thanks, Barry.
Okay, I removed the knob.
Look around under that knob. You should see a screw there, Lauren, on the valve at about 6 o'clock. Don't do anything if you find it, just take your time and see if you can locate it. Thanks, Barry.
Yes, I found it. It's a little brass screw.
Good, give me a few minutes to type out how it needs to be adjusted. Thanks, Barry.
Okay.
What you need to do is turn any 2 other burners on medium. Then set the one you are adjusting to low and remove the knob. Turn that screw a little either direction until the flame goes low. Repeat for each burner exactly the same way until all are the same. You're not going to get it the first time, but each time you repeat you get closer. Once you think you have all of the burners at the level which you would consider low, turn each burner from high to low quickly. If it goes out it's too low, raise the flame a little. When you finish that test and all burners do not go out, put all burners on low. Open and close the oven door fast. If a burner goes out it's too low, raise it until it passes that test as well. That's it, you will be done. If you need to reply, use the reply to expert link. Thanks, Barry.
That was great. I was able to turn the burners down adequately, but the flame is uneven with higher flame in 1/3 to half of the burner.
Is the flame nice and blue? And is that happening at the low, medium, and high setting? Thanks, Barry.
It's okay on the left side burners, but the right side burners have 1/3 to half of the flame with yellow tips and higher flame.
Give me a few minutes, Lauren. Barry.
Okay.
The instructions are a bit more complicated for the right side. This is a different problem, I will paste them below. What is wrong is the burner alignment is out on the side that the flames are uneven. If you can follow them, great. If not, you should print this out for the people who will be doing the adjusting. The symptoms you are describing are right below and how to fix it. Dash for proper operation of the burner, alignment of the orifice holder, orifice and air/gas mixer tube must be correct. The alignment can be checked by placing 7 mm or 9/32 of an inch nut driver over the orifice to exaggerate the angle. The nut driver should stand straight, indicating the alignment and gas injection angle is correct. A slight downward pressure may be necessary to seat the nut driver over the orifice retainer ring. If an angle adjustment is necessary, remove the burner cap, head and bowl to inspect the orifice holder and the brackets that hold them in place. Adjust as necessary. A misaligned burner may result in uneven flames around the burner head. Please ask if you have questions. Thanks, Barry.
Thank you very much, Barry. I don't have time right now to fix the alignment, but I'm confident that it will work. I'm very satisfied with your solutions to the problem and I won't hesitate to use JustAnswer again. Have a great day. Lauren.
Thank you for the opportunity, Lauren. You have a great day. Very.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.